Good morning. I'm Sivakumar Raja, soft skills trainer, voice and accent trainer, public speaker, and a motivational speaker. I'm into content writing and I'm also into training and placements. And today my topic is role play. See, role play is nothing but playing the other's role. In the role play, either you need to get into someone else's shoe or you may stay in your own shoe but get into an imaginary situation. So role play, if you want me to put it in one line, it's nothing but playing the other's role. So these activities are being conducted to improve the communication skills of the candidates. See, to get into any job, let it be related to any industry, obviously what is required is good communication skills in English. Because generally the clients would be from US, UK and Australia. And the only language what they understand is English. And every time we feel a need to interact with those people. And the projects has to be done according to their convenience and requirements. So what happens? Every time we feel a need to interact with the clients. So if you're unable to convey the required information in English, what to speak of getting the success in the industry, you'll not be able to survive in the industry. So that is the reason the candidates are trained in the different activities, and role play is one of the activity. So in this activity, you should be able to, in this activity, you should be able to take up a role and you should be able to play it. You should be able to do the role play. So let me give you a few examples. So let me play a role of a trainer. I'm a trainer. I have good communication skills and I can speak fluently in English, Hindi and Telugu. I guide candidates, I suggest them, I train them, I motivate and influence them, I rectify their mistakes, I convey the required information, and I make the candidates, I make the students participate in all the extracurricular activities, and I make them perform well in the labs, and I not only make them score good marks, and I'll also be training them in all the interview skills and employable skills, and I'll see that they get into the companies. So this is what a trainer need to do. A trainer or a lecturer or a professor. So this is what a professor is expected to do. So I'll be training them in all the interview skills and employable skills, and I'll see that they get into the companies. So what do you do as a trainer? And if you're asked, what do you do as a student? So if you're asked to play a role of a student, then how will you go ahead? I'm a student. I get up early in the morning. I'm regular to my college. I perform well in the examinations. I take the required guidance from the seniors. And I'll also be guiding my juniors. I'll be assisting them. I'll be training and motivating them. I'll be influencing them. I'll be rectifying the mistakes of my juniors. So I perform well, not only in the classrooms, but also in the labs. And I put maximum effort to score well in the examinations. And I participate in all the extracurricular activities. And I get trained in all the interview skills and employable skills. And my aim is to get into a good company with the good pay. And I'll be taking the required guidance from my faculty. So this is what you do as a student. So if you're asked to play a role of a doctor, then how will you go ahead? I'm a doctor. I get up early in the morning. I'm regular to my hospital. I treat my patients with a lot of patience. And I'm always a phone call away to my patients. I'm a lawyer. I'm regular to the court. I will be doing the required investigation. I'll be studying the cases so that I'll be able to do the required justice to my clients. My job responsibilities are advising and representing clients in the court, communicating with the clients who are involved in the cases, researching and analyzing the problems, understanding the laws for individuals and businesses. I give legal advice to people and government agencies. I offer representation to them whenever it is required and needed. Make legal documents and understand the rules and regulations. I represent clients in civil and criminal cases. I present evidences to do justice to them. I suggest clients so that they can proceed in the court. I make legal documents like wills, deeds. I'm a farmer. I get up early in the morning. I go to my fields. I sow the seeds, water the plants, and plow the land. I take care of my cattle, and at the end of the year, I take my crop to the market to get the best price. And I also avail the financial assistance provided by the government. And I feel very proud that I am the backbone of the country. I do tractor driving and cleaning. I'm also responsible for repair and maintenance of vehicles, machinery. I do planting, cultivating, and harvest duties. I feed livestock and take care of and supervise the labor. I'm an engineer. I make plans and drawings. project specifications and cost estimates. I perform engineering experiments, create workable solutions. I make engineering calculations, diagrams, and reports. Require technical and regulatory documents. I take up the responsibility of completing the projects on time and within the budget. I guide in planning, coordinating, and executing the projects. I also make project budget. I coordinate while making the project budget. I coordinate in energy conservation. I coordinate in energy conservation and other management programs. I regularly check all electrical and mechanical systems. I attend customer queries and complaints regularly with a lot of patience. I do the work in an organized manner. I also coordinate with all the other engineers and I take care of my equipment. I maintain them and store them in good condition. I maintain engineering equipment effectively and safely. So I'm signing out till we meet again. So bye for now. Have a nice day.